Welcome to our video on the benefits of final random inspection. Hi, this is Shruti, a quality expert from RSJ Inspection. In this video, we will explore how final random inspection can significantly impact business and ensure quality control through the production process. Let's get started. Introduction to final random inspection. First, let's understand what is final random inspection. Final random inspection is a quality control procedure conducted by independent inspection agencies at the stage of 80 to 100% of manufacturing is completed. It involves randomly selected samples from production batch and thoroughly examining them for compliance and with quality standards before shipment. Coming to the benefits of final random inspection. First benefit, ensuring the product quality. The primary benefit of a final random inspection is that it ensures the product quality. The inspectors assess the samples for defects, workmanship, and adherence to specifications. By identifying and rectifying any quality issues before shipment, business can maintain the high quality standards and deliver products that meets the customer's expectation. Second benefit, minimizing returns and complaints. One of the most frustrating challenge of business is dealing with returns and customer complaints. But don't fear. Final random inspection comes to the rescue by minimizing their issues and ensuring customer satisfaction. It not only reduces the risk of selling faulty products, but also saves cost associated with rework, replacement, and customer compensation. Third benefit, protecting brand reputation. Final random inspection acts as a shield protecting your brand reputation. By conducting thorough inspections before products reach the market. FRA ensures that only high quality products are delivered to the customers. It identifies and rectifies potential defects, safeguarding your brand from customer complaints and negative reviews. It demonstrates your commitment to quality control. With final random inspection, you protect your brand reputation, build trust, and gain customer loyalty in the market. Benefit 4. Supplier accountability. Another key benefit of final random inspection is that it holds supplier accountability for their product quality. By implementing this inspection process, business can ensure that their supplier consistently meet the expected quality standards. It creates a sense of responsibility and encourages supplier to maintain high quality production processes. Benefit 5. Cost savings and efficiency. Final random inspection can lead to substantial cost savings for manufacturers. By identifying and rectifying quality issues before the products are shipped, manufacturers can avoid costly recalls, reworks, and even legal liabilities. Additionally, final random inspection helps reduce the number of returns and rejected products, minimizing financial losses associated with unsellability inventory. By investing in quality control through final random inspection, manufacturers can optimize their production process and improve the operation efficiency. Finally, summarizing the key benefits of final random inspection. Final random inspection ensures product quality, minimize returns and complaints, protect the brand reputation and enhances the customer loyalty, holds supplier accountable and improves the supply chain, provides cost savings and boosts operational efficiency, implement FRA as a part of robust quality control strategy, can yield significant financial benefits for business. To know more about final random inspection or to download the model report, you can scan the QR code or visit the links given below. Further, if you need any support on quality control inspection, please do contact us at www.rsjqa.com. If you find this video informational, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you on my next video. Until then, signing off, this is Shruti, a quality expert from RSJ Inspection Service. Thank you. Have a nice day.